Today is Christina Marie. Today's video is going to be on the January blessbox unboxing. Yes, I know it's February, but it just got here. So we're going to unbox this. If you are new to blessbox, it is a monthly subscription box for $29.99 plus $7.50 in shipping. If you do buy an extended subscription, you can get that cost down to as low as $26.66. There's usually between 5 and 15 products in it with roughly a value of over $150 in products. So I'm really excited to find out what's in this first box from blessbox. I did receive kind of their bonus box that they did in the winter, and I will put that link in the description box below, but this is my first of the actual subscription boxes from blessbox. A lot of times their boxes will contain beauty products, which you'd expect, but there's also some home goods, some skincare, some chic accessories. There's all sorts of fun stuff, even sometimes some gift cards. So I'm really excited to delve into this. So when you first open it up, this is kind of what it looks like. Stuff's falling out the bottom. It's all wrapped in the tissue paper. It says, "Share with us, ready, set, bless" at the top. And let's open this guy up. So here's kind of what it looks like once you remove all the tissue paper. And then there is a pamphlet here on top that will tell about the different products, as far also the retail price of each product as well. So the first two items that I see are both by St. Ives. This one is the Hydrating Cactus Water and Hibiscus Sheet Mask, and this one is the Hydrating Cactus Water and Hibiscus Hydrogel Eye Mask. So what this one says here is skin feeling as parched as the Saharan desert. You need the replenishing boost of St. Ives Hibiscus Cactus Water Hibiscus Sheet Mask. Cactus water is so hydrating and softening. After all, cactuses thrive in some of the driest environments on Earth, so they know a thing or two about moisture. The sheet mask is made of 100% natural extracts and 100% natural cotton. Plus, it's paraben-free and dermatologist tested. So I do a sheet mask video. If you haven't checked that out, I will put a link of a past one down below. So I'm excited to use these in an upcoming video. And what this one says is, you know, that the curator was so obsessed with the bigger sheet mask that she wanted to throw in this as well. And the hydrogel masks banish tired puffy eyes in minutes. Made with the same 100% natural extract, moisture cactus water, and hibiscus extract as a sheet mask. These hydrogel eye masks are paraben-free and dermatologist tested. The cool hydrogel is so soothing on weary, stressed eyes. You know, it only takes 10 minutes with these babies and you look like you slept for 10 hours. I always have a lot of problems with under eye, and so I'm excited to try this out. So this one does retail for $2.25. In fact, they both retail for $2.25 each. So the next product is from We Believe. It is a coral sample tampon pack. And what it kind of says here on this back is, we believe that every girl deserves an education, yet millions of girls around the world miss school during their periods because they can't afford pads. That's why core products you purchase will provide pads and health education to girls in need. So this does retail for $9. I have had a full hysterectomy, and so I no longer have my period, but I will pass this on to a couple of girlfriends. All of these products in here are all organic. So the next product is from Earthen Instant Peel Natural Exfoliants. It does contain one peel in here, and this retails for $10. And what it says about this guy is that it's the #1 best-selling product from Instant Peel. It is innovative exfoliant as an alternative for people who don't want to use harsh acids or rough abrasions on their sensitive skin. The exfoliant combines natural proteins and enzymes to gently peel away dead skin cells from your face, neck, and décolletage. So I can't wait to try this out. I'll use this in my peel video. So the next product is from Higher Education. It's their Cram Session Vitamin Infused Hydrating Lotion. So this is what it looks like. It does retail for $33. It's sensitive for all skin types. And what it says about this is the skincare is vitamin infused hydrating lotion that'll keep your skin at the head of the class. The lightweight super hydrated lotion is crammed with powerful antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and E to help protect your skin from damages and free radicals. Added melanin to help protect your skin from the damaging blue lights emitted from digital devices, the sun, and other environmental sources. Who of us isn't hooked to our phones? I know I personally am. I know it's a habit I really need to work on. It is also plant extracts and natural plant peptides to help soothe, moisturize, and restore the balance. So I cannot wait to try this. So let's open this up out of the package here. So here's what it looks like. This is 1.7 fluid ounces. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Use this pump, put a little bit on my hand. There is no scent, which I really appreciate because my skin is very sensitive to fragrances. So I really appreciate that there's none in here. And it feels really hydrating, and this is what it looks like on the back of the hand. The next thing out of the box is this Phyto Hui Supreme Rich Smoothing Oil for your hair. And what this does, it adds shine, restores elasticity, and even protects your hair from damaging free radicals, helps prevent, the flyaways, UV light, and external aggressors. And this retails for $15. I've got a ton of flyaways, so with the curly hair, so I think this will really help. This next product I'm really excited about. I have really wanted to try. I'm a girl who loves my Colourpop. This is the brand new Luxe lipstick, and it is in the shade Hey Mr. DJ. Who has the Madonna song stuck in my head? I know I do now. So what this is it's a nude lipstick, and it's full coverage, richly pigmented lipstick. Is packed with the finest pigments for the flawless all-day wear. The formula is butter rich with an exclusive brand of acai, jojoba, and pomegranate seed butter to keep your pout hydrated all day, plus natural antioxidants to protect your lips from environmental stressors and premature aging. So here's what the package looks like. There's cute little stars all over it. And you open it up. And there's, I don't know if you can tell, but there's even stars in the lipstick itself. So let me get a wipe here and take off the lipstick that I'm currently wearing, which is also kind of a nude. So let's put this Hey Mr. DJ on by Colourpop. So what do you guys think? Do you like the shade? I think I really like it. I'm so excited to have another Colourpop product. This Colourpop lipstick does retail for $7. I can't believe they included this. I am so happy, you guys. This is the Strawsome glass straw that retails for $9.95. I've wanted to try a glass straw out for a while now, and you know, there's so much plastic that goes into our garbages, and it's such an environmental problem. I am really looking forward to trying this guy out. It is dishwasher safe. You can also be frozen. This is going to be amazing. The next item here is by Ives. It is their lip balm. And what it says here on the package is Japanese formulated lip balm smooths dry, dehydrated lips and helps replenish lost moisture. So it's vitamin E and aloe infused. And this one retails for $5. So let's see here. And this is what the guy kind of looks like. Great for these winter months. So the next item is this Wilkins body oil mist. I've just started using oils. This one does retail for $8.99. It is 99% natural ingredients like apricot, kernel oil, sunflower seed oil, and rosemary leaf extract, scented with fresh coconut milk and comforting honey. This body mist is a favorite of, you know, the person who does this all year round. It's a really light smell. I don't think it's gonna bother me. Sometimes fragrances will make my skin break out. Other times it affects my asthma. So I don't think that's a problem. And I'm just putting a little bit on here. And there you go. This next product is by Nelson of Beverly Hills, their Moisture Healing Hair Mask. And it retails for $9. It helps with detangling, controls frizz, prevents hair and color fading, seals split ends, and protects from chlorine and salt water, and restores silkiness and shine, and enhances your hair's natural body. So obviously I've got frizz, I've got color treated hair. I'm really looking forward to trying this. The next product is by l.o.v. It is their Best Dressed Eye Pencil in 12-hour long wear. This is what the kind of product looks like. It is in the color Majestic Amethyst. I actually already have this, so I'll be placing this in our big giveaway. It is, what it says about it, it's $8.16, and it's so unique and really brings out brown and hazel eyes. One swipe is all it takes for the Precision Graphic Liner. So the last thing in this box is the body lotion, Coconut Shea and Vitamin E. It is by Eden Body Works. It retails for $8.99. It's a lightweight hydrating body cream. Is enriched with vitamin E and shea butter to leave skin soft, smooth, and moisturized. It's really coconut, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it because coconut has sets off my asthma sometimes, but I can definitely pass this one along. So what did you guys think? What were your favorite things? I think my absolute favorite were the straw, which I'm really excited to use, and then of course the Colourpop lipstick. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. My two probably least favorite items are the tampons, just because I've had a hysterectomy, don't need them. And then the body lotion that has coconut in it, which sets off my asthma, which I can't use. So overall, it's a good first box. I kind of wish that it was more beauty oriented. I did only get this one for 3 months, so let me know what you think. Do you think I should still keep it or pass it? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye! Total value of box is $128.59.